Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. My name is Preeti and today we are going to understand multiplication. Raja has 3 plates of sweets. There are 3 sweets in each plate. How many sweets in all? There are 9 sweets in all. This can be written as 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 9 और 3 groups of 3 sweets are equal to 9 sweets. क्या होता है? 3 sweets 3 plates में पड़ी हैं. तो हम उसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 3 plus 3 plus 3 भी 9 होता है. 3 ग्रुप में 3 स्वीट्स पड़ी हुई हैं तो 3 into 3 भी 9 होता है. This can be written in this way also. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. This is the symbol of multiplication. We read it as 3 multiplied by 3. Repeated addition of same number is called multiplication. Let's revise. Look at the groups and fill in the boxes. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 2 multiplied by 3 is also 6. Multiplication tables starting from 1 to 20. Multiplication table of 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. तो बच्चों आपने इसमें क्या देखा? हमने एक चीज़ को रिपीटेडली प्लस किया या एक चीज़ को मल्टीप्लाई करा तो आंसर सेम आया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 into 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 and 1 into 3 is also 3 क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 ग्रुप्स कितने हैं? 1 1 के 3 ग्रुप्स हैं. सो 1 into 3 is also 3. तो आपने देखा अगर हम किसी चीज़ को रिपीटेडली ऐड करते हैं या उसको ग्रुप वाइज मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो रिजल्ट उसका सेम होता है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल ऑफ 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 plus 2 is also 4 and 2 into 2 is also 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is also 6 and 2 threes are also 6. 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. 2 को 10 बार प्लस किया या 2 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, आंसर कितना आया? 20. वेरी गुड. मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल ऑफ 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. अब 3 plus 3 किया तब भी 6 आया, 3 into 2 किया तब भी 6 आया. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. तो बच्चों आपको क्या क्या करना है? आपको साथ साथ प्रोसीजर फॉलो करना है कि 3 को अगर मैंने 5 टाइम प्लस किया तो भी 15 आया, 3 को into 5 किया तो भी 15 आया. 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Multiplication table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Again 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 into 2 is also 8. 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24. अब क्या किया? 6 टाइम 4 को ऐड किया तो क्या टोटल आया? 24. और 4 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया क्या टोटल आया? 24. वेरी गुड. 4 sevens are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Multiplication table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 5 को 5 बार मैंने ऐड किया तो भी 25 आया, 5 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो भी क्या आया? 25. वेरी गुड. 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. तो बच्चों आपको दोनों तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करनी है. एक नंबर को आपने ऐड करके भी देखना है और मल्टीप्लाई करके भी देखना है कि क्या इसका टोटल सेम आ रहा है. वेरी नाइस. मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल ऑफ 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 6 are 36. तो अब क्या किया मैंने? 6 को 6 बार ऐड किया और 6 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो टोटल क्या आया? 36. वेरी गुड. 6 sevens are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Multiplication table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. तो अगर हम टेबल पढ़ते हैं, टेबल में भी हमें क्या बोला जाता है, 7 fives are, मतलब अगर 7 को 5 बार मैं प्लस करूंगी तब भी उसका टोटल 35 आएगा. एंड 7 into 5 is also 35. 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. Multiplication table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. Multiplication table of 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. तो बच्चों हमें क्या समझ आया कि एक डिजिट को उतनी बार हम चाहे ऐड कर लें या इनटू उतने नंबर से कर दें तो आंसर क्या आता है, सेम आता है. लेट्स रिवाइज. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. 2 7s are 14, 5 9s are 45, 4 7s are 28, 3 4s are 12, 7 6 are 42, 7 5s are 35, 9 2s are 18, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 6 3s are 18, 4 4s are 16, 4 9s are 36. Table of 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90, 10 10s are 100. Table of 11. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55, 11 6s are 66, 11 7s are 77, 11 8s are 88, 11 9s are 99, 11 10s are 110. Table of 12. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, 12 8s are 96, 12 9s are 108, 12 10s are 120. Table of 13. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52, 13 5s are 65, 13 6s are 78, 13 7s are 91, 13 8s are 104, 13 9s are 117, 13 10s are 130. 14. 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 42, 14 4s are 56, 14 5s are 70, 14 6s are 84, 14 7s are 98, 14 8s are 112, 14 9s are 126, 14 10s are 140. Table of 15. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90, 15 7s are 105, 15 8s are 120, 15 9s are 135, 15 10s are 150. Table of 16. 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64, 16 5s are 80, 16 6s are 96, 16 7s are 112, 16 8s are 128, 16 9s are 144, 16 10s are 160. Table of 17. 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51, 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85, 17 6s are 102, 17 7s are 119, 17 8s are 136, 17 9s are 153, 17 10s are 170. Table of 18. 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, 18 4s are 72, 18 5s are 90, 18 6s are 108, 18 7s are 126, 18 8s are 144, 18 9s are 162, 18 10s are 180. Table of 19. 19 1s are 19, 19 2s are 38, 19 3s are 57, 19 4s are 76, 19 5s are 95, 19 6s are 114, 19 7s are 133, 19 8s are 152, 19 9s are 171 and 19 10s are 190. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, 26 are 120, 27s are 140, 28s are 160, 29s are 180, 2010s are 200. So kids, I hope that you have learned, understood and enjoyed what we have done in the class today, and you try to practice more and more to become perfect.